Let me idea take some.
I'm so far back when I do.
Oh, well, as I did an idea, we're buffet. Wow, shall no answer to it. Now only cancer.
First one level to come raw, sir.
Now I'll try with that. But you can't as a man for Pamba. Go the pen a bit. Not only can answer.
Oh, no,
Wait for the come.
First one, them the same straight.
Straight. Try with them, me, I want into it. Only can one out the remark come smooth.
Maybe you must smart it. I owe one day you are small. Yeah, everything be a grammar.
Sir, every day. Nipa the one guy was assuming that whole wine or the chat. And look at she signing. But you don't know a bit yellow.
Then is if you will be asking to the yellow by the remoire. I do the remoire and quite with Uchifi. And as the beer always say, Okazagumas, Menefi and Adum. On moon, Tashoba,
Clement, make us a thing wasum. If you want to make a wasum. If you want to make a wasum. For my demand. Dear, lick a horn for my demand.
So, Peggy,
half from home,
them that she must soon. So,
hey!
When what do you eat?
Oh, yeah. Look at this. Hey, what's in bad?
There,
who used to be that? Try to back.
Oh, to be your own stab you back.
Say
when your mother and I will be the year before brother.
What's man say? With him clean, say. Oh, wait. One leg card and a bed in it may you feel.
I'm more your competition as to when in
yeah,
don't competition.
Me to be no competition. Obey me. And no one can meet channel.
Jai. First of all, I don't know, there's no sense in it.
Good. There's no sense in what you are doing.
And yours, there's no sense in it. Say, ear no a self-cleansing organ. And no longer say, wax be one ear anymore. And no longer say cleaning the home. You are not supposed to be putting things in your ears to remove those things. When you say what are you hoping to achieve?
And if
you know, we wax in every man answer them.
They say you are saying, oh, by the way, choose a fainty to whom we are to me. While some say, if I was you to make my year clean.
They be a you as well.
But
what you are doing is a very dangerous one.
And if you say,
and you're my yellow neighbor, it is not necessarily that. It could be the wax, medical term call it cerumen,
cerumen.
So those ear wax the importance of the ear wax is to trap dirt so that the dirt doesn't get into the ear itself. The day be every day be you was every day be you was now would destroy wax and I say you wax if you was you give those dirt a leeway into your inner canal. Once are creative infections. What you are essentially doing is say so dirt never was sumono. Who pia we come na the wax ni konech and I said the death ni konech the death ni konech
and now by
yeah we don't put anything into the ear.
You don't put anything
into the ear.
It was some
ye jano wax na ngasa the never out. So when I say problematic, no problem, just go to the hospital, talk to the doctor will look into the ears and see whether the wax is impacted and I say a day. No way. But one out to who men for pen, men for cotton bag and shashawasumu in the hope say we wax and index. One day you can create a problem for yourself.
Problem with this?
Yes. It can lead to dizziness.
Matthias, once all the shots more easy. And only it's sweetness.
There be any sweetness. A loss of balance. What do we shashawasuma? One way you can even perforate your tympano. Now your eardrum.
Send one tympani.
Tympanic membrane. Putting these things in your ears has no added advantage. For so be any so. First of all, you are removing the dirt. All right, but you're also removing all the wax in the ears. Until you remove wax into 3 ears, what do you think will happen? Because the wax is supposed to trap the dirt. Until if you are assuming, what do you think you are? What do you think you are doing?
That's very cool.
Straight into the ear.
Now that's what I say.
Now, cause no say. The bedroom baby no only wax biya or assume. And that just go clean. So a clean ear is a dangerous ear.
Because it thins them.
What is supposed to do is you cannot trap your death. They be go inside the ear, bra. Now cause infections.
And the major ways,
you don't put anything in your ear. Don't put pen in the ears. In fact, Fabra. I'm going to throw it away. Fabra. More hard drink quite of Neko.
Amazing. We quite me come. I vibrate inside. When there's one. Because we timpano me there. That.